Welcome to part 2 of the Class Notebook Introduction series. This video will take you on a brief guided tour of your math notebook. Think of your notebook as a resource center and class companion. It's filled with guided notes, worksheets, videos, a collaboration platform, course information, and other helpful materials for class. In addition to these resources, your class notebook provides you with the tools necessary for an almost paperless classroom experience. While working paperless is not a requirement for this class, it's always nice to have an option. Your class notebook is organized into 3 main parts: the collaboration space, the content library, and your personal student notebook section. Let's take a closer look. When you click on the collaboration space, individual sections within the space are revealed. The section titled Using the Collaboration Space is automatically provided by OneNote. Its purpose is to provide you with a quick explanation of this space's function. The collaboration space is open to everyone in class, and all class members can read or write on anything in this portion of the notebook. Teachers and students can also create new sections and pages in ways that work best for them. You can already see that an additional section has been created for you called Best Practices. When you click on the section, individual pages in this section become visible. Right now, these pages are looking a little sparse. As you familiarize yourself with the tech we use in math class, you and your classmates can collaborate on tips, tricks, and habits that make class easier. I leave it to you and your peers to bring these pages to life. Let's move on to the content library. The content library is a read-only portion of the notebook where I can share handouts with the class. The library is made up of several sections. The course information section provides you with course syllabus, course outline, and meet the teacher pages. Helpful resources contains information on a variety of topics. These pages are meant to aid your success in class. You may already be familiar with a few of these pages if you visited my classroom during Move It Up Day. As the year progresses, this section will grow. Check back every now and then to see what's been added. The remainder of the sections in the content library coincide with each unit you'll learn throughout the year. If you click on Unit 0, Connections to Algebra, you can already see that a course outline, guided notes for the unit, and a homework page have been provided. As we work through content, outlines, guided notes, worksheets, and class activities will be added to the current unit. The last section in this notebook is your student notebook. Each individual student has their own private notebook. This notebook can only be seen by you and me. In other words, as your teacher, I have access to every student notebook, while students can only see their own. As you can see, the private notebook contains identical sections to that of the content library. When you click on them, however, the sections are blank. Pages can be added to a section in 3 ways. You can create your own page, you can copy and paste a page from the content library, or I can distribute a page just like I would hand out papers in the classroom. The last portion of this notebook that I would like to show you is the portion where we began, the Welcome section. This section was automatically created by OneNote, and it contains pages that can equip you with in-depth information about the everyday functions of OneNote. Take some time to watch OneNote's student tutorials to get the maximum use out of your notebook. That's it for the tutorial, but I have one last challenge for you. In the Helpful Resources section under the Content Library, there's a page titled Getting to Know You. Copy and paste this page to your private notebook in the same section and follow the directions on the page. If you complete the task successfully, there may be a reward involved. Thanks for watching.